Hi, I'm Sarah F. Gascon, 21 years of age, single, a Filipino, and a Roman Catholic. I graduated from St. Augustine High School and was awarded a Sport Honorable Mention and other extracurricular activities for being a dancer and theater arts performer, a DBC band member, and a lawn tennis varsity player. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management from Surigao del Sur State University with a GPA of 1.81. I participated some seminars. One of those was held in AMA Computer Learning Center, Butuan City during my first school year before I transferred and graduated from Surigao del Sur State University. Its theme was World's Consumers' Right Day. I also received my on-the-job training certificate in Philippine National Bank, Butuan City in February 2017 as a teller from November 2016 to February 2017. I passed the Civil Service Examination on September 2017. I am a member of St. Augustine High School Alumni Association from 2013 until now and Surigao del Sur State University Lianga Campus from 2017 until now. Having a skills in basic computers such as MS Word, MS PowerPoint, and MS Excel, basic accounting skills, communication skills, and a civil service passer, I know I could be a part of your continual success or even a better level of productivity in your company as a manager. Thank you.